Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change LUTs intensity on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what we need to do is open up the camera hub, and here we will have the camera settings and the effects. So we need to head over to effects, and here we have the LUTs. Now, let me show you how to change the intensity. Basically, it's right here at the bottom of the LUT section. And here we can click it with our left mouse button and simply slide it to the left or to the right, depending on our preference. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.